LPT if you have an Android phone. Go to the developer options and set animation time to x0.5. Your phone will feel like it's gotten a huge processor update. Unlock developer option settings. About phone 7x, tap on build number, decrease animation time. Settings. System developer options, set all options with animation scale to x0.5 or less. Enjoy your fast phone edit. Wow, my first gold. Thanks a lot. Glad you guys like the LPT edit. As others have pointed out, build number in Samsung phones is apparently in about phone software info. Also, this works on Android devices other than phones. Edit. The exact options to tweak in developer options are called window animation scale, transition animation scale, and animator duration scale. Alternatively, you can also turn the animations off via system accessibility, remove animations.